Welcome to this tutorial. It's time to define the geographical structure of your store with locations. Locations are used throughout Gridbox eCommerce and serve as the foundation for location-based features such as shipping and taxes. In this lesson, you'll learn how to import ready-to-use location data, create your own custom location hierarchy, and see how locations are used during the checkout process. To open Locations, go to the Store menu in the Gridbox Administration panel and select Locations. This is where you'll manage the entire location hierarchy used throughout your store. You can either import ready-to-use location data or build your own custom hierarchy from scratch, depending on your business requirements. Let's start by importing a predefined location package. To import locations, open the More Actions menu in the toolbar and select Locations. A dialog will appear containing a complete library of countries and their regions. To quickly find the locations you need, use the Country filter and select a country from the drop-down list. You have three import options. Select the country to import only the country's regions. Select All to import all of the country's regions without importing the country itself. Or select Individual regions to import only the specific locations you need. Once you've made your selection, click Import. The selected locations will be added to your location hierarchy and will be ready to use throughout your store. If you need to rename a location, simply click its name, enter the new name in the dialog, and save your changes. To create a new location, click Add New Item in the bottom right corner. In the dialog, enter the location name. If the new location belongs to an existing location, select its parent in the Parent Item option. If you're creating a top-level location, simply leave Parent Item set to root. Click Save, and the new location will be added to your location hierarchy. One of the biggest advantages of the location system is its flexible hierarchy. Each location can have a parent location, allowing you to build a structure that perfectly matches your business. For example, you can create a hierarchy that starts with a country, followed by a region, a city, a district, and finally a street, or any other structure that best fits your requirements. There are virtually no limits to the hierarchy depth, so you can continue adding child locations for as many levels as your business requires. Locations are displayed on the checkout page using the Location System field in the Customer Information plugin. By default, this field is labeled Destination. Let's see how it works. When a customer selects a location, Gridbox automatically displays the next level of the hierarchy. This continues until the customer reaches the most specific location available. As a result, customers only see the locations that are relevant to their previous selection, making the checkout process clean, intuitive, and easy to complete. You've now learned how to import predefined location data, create your own custom location hierarchy, and understand how locations are used during checkout. In the next lesson, we'll use these locations to configure shipping methods, allowing you to define shipping options based on your location hierarchy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.